Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a cable that might seem simple, but is actually incredibly versatile and crucial for many setups, especially if you're dealing with older or specific types of audio and MIDI equipment. This is the YAODHAOD 7-pin DIN MIDI cable, specifically the male-to-male version, coming in at a handy 1.5 meters or about 4.9 feet. Now, when you hear MIDI cable, you might just think of connecting a keyboard to a computer. And yes, this cable can absolutely do that for MIDI-compatible instruments and devices like controllers, synthesizers, samplers, drum machines, and foot controllers. But this particular 7-pin DIN connector opens up a whole lot more possibilities. The description mentions it's designed not just for MIDI signals, but also for power box current transmission, signal docking, and system control. This is key because it makes it suitable for connecting equipment that uses this specific 7-pin DIN configuration for more than just standard MIDI data. One of the standout applications highlighted is its compatibility with classic European stereo systems, specifically mentioning Bang and Olufsen, Naim, and Quad. If you have vintage or high-end audio gear from these brands that uses a 7-pin DIN connection, finding a reliable, high-quality cable can be a challenge. This YAODHAOD cable steps in to fill that gap, allowing you to connect components and ensure proper signal transfer. It's also noted as being suitable for computers or even medical devices that might utilize this connector type, showing just how broad its potential use case is. Looking at the cable itself, it features standard 7-pin DIN male plugs on both ends. The description emphasizes that these plugs are designed to provide a tight connection. A secure connection is absolutely vital for preventing signal dropouts or interference, especially in live sound or studio environments where reliability is paramount. They call it a professional controller interface audio MIDI extension cord, which hints at its intended use in more demanding scenarios. The performance claims are quite high. It's described as a high-performance, versatile cable ideal for professional mixers, wireless systems, broadcast, AV audio, band setups, studio monitor recording, touring, and other live sound applications. That's a pretty extensive list, suggesting it's built to handle the rigors and requirements of professional audio. The promise is that it will accurately transfer balanced high-bandwidth frequency quality, delivering detailed, clean, natural, and pure audio sound with realism and clarity. They also specifically mention jitter-free signals, which is important for maintaining timing accuracy, particularly in digital audio and MIDI applications. A major factor contributing to these performance claims is the shielding. The cable is described as a professional shielded MIDI audio interface music cable. Shielding is crucial for reducing distortion and signal interference from external sources like power cables or other electronics. It also helps minimize return signal loss, which contributes to a more stable and reliable connection and improves the stable function of the connected equipment. One of the most user-friendly aspects mentioned is that it's plug and play. You don't need special drivers or complex setup procedures. You just connect the ends to your compatible devices, and it should work. This convenience is a big plus, whether you're setting up quickly for a gig or just rearranging your home stereo system. Considering its specific connector type, its claimed versatility across MIDI, audio, and even power control signals, and its focus on professional-grade performance with features like shielding and tight connections, the YAODHAOD 7-pin DIN MIDI cable seems like a solid option for anyone needing this particular type of cable. Whether you're integrating vintage audio gear, connecting specific MIDI controllers, or dealing with other equipment that uses the 7-pin DIN standard, this cable aims to provide a reliable and high-quality link. It's not just a simple cable. It's designed to be a professional interface for critical connections.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.